Imagine the horror of waking up to a rain of rockets targeting your city. This has been the reality for Israelis since October 7, 2023. A surprise attack launched by Hamas militants from the Gaza Strip unveiled an unprecedented wave of violence. Over 1,000 lives brutally ended, hundreds abducted, and countless hearts shattered. This marks the deadliest onslaught on Jews since the Holocaust and serves as a stark reminder of the severity of the situation. To navigate the complexities of this conflict, we must first understand its roots. The Israel-Palestine conflict, a story of two nations intertwined in a struggle for land, recognition, and survival, is not a product of recent times but has deep historical, religious, and geopolitical roots. Centuries of migration and resettlement have seen the Jewish and Arabic people lay claim to the same piece of land, each with their own narratives of historical and religious significance. In the late 19th century, the birth of Zionism, a nationalist movement advocating for the re-establishment of a Jewish homeland in what is now Israel, set the stage for the conflict we see today. The intricacies of this struggle are further complicated by the geopolitical factors at play. The region's strategic location, coupled with its rich natural resources, notably oil, has attracted the interests of global powers, adding layers of complexity to an already convoluted situation. The establishment of the State of Israel in 1948, following the horrors of the Holocaust, ignited a series of wars and uprisings that have shaped the contours of the conflict. The displacement of Palestinians during these events, referred to as the Nakba, or catastrophe, has been a major point of contention, fueling animosity and distrust between the two sides. Fast forward to 2023, the conflict took a drastic turn when Hamas militants launched a surprise attack on southern Israel, marking the beginning of an ongoing war. This incident, along with the subsequent retaliation and escalation, has deepened the divide, making the prospects for peace seem increasingly elusive. The battle for land, recognition, and survival continues, fueled by decades of historical, religious, and geopolitical factors. The intricate web of issues that have given rise to this conflict are not easily untangled and demand a nuanced understanding as we navigate the path to a peaceful resolution. At the heart of the conflict lies the city of Jerusalem, a sacred place to multiple religions. This city, steeped in history and significance, is more than just a geographical location. It's a symbol of faith, a testament to centuries of religious tradition, and unfortunately, a persistent flashpoint in the Israel-Palestine conflict. Both Israelis and Palestinians lay claim to this city, particularly East Jerusalem, each backed by deep-rooted historical narratives and religious convictions. This mutual claim has, over the decades, sparked a tug-of-war over the city, rendering it a consistent source of contention. The international response to this Jerusalem dilemma has been as diverse as it is complex. Nations around the globe remain divided in their stance, with some expressing unwavering support for Israel, others for Palestine. There's also a substantial camp advocating for a peaceful resolution through diplomatic channels, emphasizing dialogue and negotiation over military action. The United Nations, as the world's foremost intergovernmental organization, plays a crucial role in this international response. It has been actively involved in mediating talks, facilitating negotiations, and calling for ceasefires. Yet despite these efforts, the road to peace seems long and fraught with obstacles. The city of Jerusalem remains a key battleground, and the international community a divided audience. This division, however, underscores the need for a nuanced understanding of the conflict and reinforces the importance of continued dialogue and negotiation. After all, peace isn't won on the battlefield but in the minds and hearts of people. Beyond the political intricacies, the conflict has given rise to a humanitarian crisis. The turmoil has left an indelible mark on civilians caught in the crossfire. Homes have been destroyed, lives lost, and families displaced. Thousands are grappling with the harsh reality of displacement, forced to abandon their homes and seek refuge elsewhere. The basic necessities of life, food, water, medical aid, have become a daily struggle for many. For those in the heart of the conflict, the simple act of living has become a feat of resilience. Yet, amid the dire circumstances, humanity persists. Humanitarian organizations, both local and international, tirelessly strive to bring relief to those affected. They navigate the volatile landscape, delivering essential aid and bringing a glimmer of hope to the bleak situation. From providing medical services to distributing food and water, their efforts are a testament to the enduring spirit of compassion and solidarity. As we navigate the complexities of this conflict, the human cost remains at the forefront. It's a stark reminder of the profound impact that political disputes can have on innocent lives. The crisis underscores the urgent need for a resolution, for an end to the violence, and a beginning to healing and reconstruction. In the midst of chaos, the global community continues to hope for peace. The path may be challenging, but with understanding, empathy, and dialogue, a peaceful resolution remains within reach.